Hi guys, it's Kat. Today, I'll show you how to build these beautiful resin coffee tables. I'll show you a version with a beach scene and one with a natural tree stump look. They're so simple to make, yet they add so much character and realism to a miniature scene. Let's get started. The main item you need for this project are these craft wood slices. I use them all the time for custom ornaments and they're super handy. These are from Arteza and they vary from 2.5 inches to 3 inches in diameter. It makes them the perfect size for a miniature coffee table or end table. There's a lot of variation in color and size, so carefully pick out the ones you like. I love the natural bark on the edges. Because these were meant for ornaments, they already have a pre-drilled hole. I'll close them up with wood filler. For a glossy finish, I'll be using tabletop epoxy from Total Boat. It's a 2-part epoxy where you mix equal parts of A and B. Slowly mix it for 3 minutes. Then I brush on a thin layer across the surface. This will help ensure an even surface as the epoxy absorbs into the wood. You'll notice that the epoxy darkens the wood up a bit. Once it's cured overnight, the epoxy will be rock hard and super glossy. Let's make the beach scene next. I grab acrylic paint in these light brown shades and cover the lower third of the circle. This will be the sand. Then take these pour paints in white and a few shades of blue. Add them from the top, going from darkest to lightest. Dark blue all the way to white. You can also use regular acrylic paint. I just like how well these pour paints flow across the surface. Spread the paint out to cover the full surface. I like to use a brush and mix the light blue and the white just a bit. Once the paint is fully dry, mix up some epoxy and pour it onto the surface. Use a hairdryer on low to remove all the air bubbles. This is such a handy trick. You can stop here, but I wanted to add a bit more dimension. So I add on more white paint for the waves. Here's another fun trick. Brush on some watered down white paint where you want some foam. Before it dries, spray it with some rubbing alcohol. It separates the paint and creates the look of foam. Let that dry and add on another layer of epoxy. Remove the bubbles and let it sit to cure. While that sets up, let's create the legs. I'll be using this 18 gauge wire. It's pretty thick, so you'll need some tools. I use a needle nose plier to bend the wire at the 1.5 inch mark. Then snip it off at a 3 inch length. We'll need 3 of these for each table. I spray paint them gold for a modern look, but you can choose any color you like. Black would be great for an industrial look. Now I take a micro hand drill and make tiny holes in the back of the wood slice. Then simply glue the legs into place and the project is done. It's super simple. I love this project because you can truly customize it to your taste. You can mix pigment powder into the epoxy for a more translucent look. I also try using squeezable fabric paint for a texture look. The possibilities are endless. Have fun with experimentation and you'll be amazed at what you can create. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and make sure to subscribe for more. Happy holidays and I'll see you next time. Bye!